Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, rear view camera, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.